Welcome back, my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust waist on the pads that is not adjustable. Hello my friends, today I have this pair of pants which I need to adjust for my child. There is many ways you can adjust the waist. Here is number one. If the elastic would be inside the band, it will be easier to open the seam, adjust the elastic and sew it back as it is. In my case, we have the elastic surge with the fabric. So now for me to adjust, it takes a little bit different way to adjust. So here is two ways, for example, depends on how much you have to adjust the waist. So number one, if you need to take in only half inch, only if it's very thin pants, like leggings for example, you can fold on the back part of the seat and then you adjust half inch and continue a little bit to the seat line. After you took it in, you can top stitch it here and here, and then it should be okay. Since in my case I have to take in more than 2 inches, this is what I'm gonna do. So here what I'm gonna do first. The easiest part for beginners and for moms who need to adjust their pants. I'm gonna mark 2 and 2 inches on each side from the center of the back part, right? And I will mark 4 inches long is gonna be the dart. Okay, and now this line we're gonna fold just like this. I'm gonna put some pins. The good part is you can let it out back in case if your kids like grow, and then you can let it out and they can still wear it. So now I'm gonna take in a little more than a half inch. So when I'm gonna take in, let's say I have 2 inches taken in, 2 inches, we divide it on 2. That's gonna be 1 inch for each dart, right? So 1 inch total, I'm gonna divide it by 2 because one dart I need 1 inch, but if I'll fold it, it's gonna be half inch. So if I'll take it in, it's gonna be an inch here taken in from the waist and an inch on our dart. After I mark, this is how we have to sew it. So we have to sew it here. Make sure also to do the back stitch at the beginning and back stitch at the end. And I'll do same thing on the other side. Okay. And we're gonna do same thing right here. How much I have to take in, and then all the way here. And now we just need to sew it on sewing machine. After we took in, I will fold it the opposite way from the center seam, and I'm gonna stitch it right here a little bit and on right here. Okay, same thing we have to do the second part. After all it's done, we're gonna press it all the darts and all set. I hope this little alteration tip will help you a lot in adjusting clothes. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more free tutorials and more projects. Wish you all the best. Totally forgot to tell you, these straps are not adjustable, they are just decorative. So I hope this helps.